Okay, today we're going to be doing solid geometry for grade 10s. This is in first orthographic projections, which means that you're going to have your front view, your left view, your top view, and your right view. And then your 45 degrees will be at the bottom. Okay, this is on page 68 of the JPHD workbook. It might be a different page for you, but there's this drawing over here. So I've just drawn it on this piece of paper. The instructions tell you that they've given you an auxiliary view and the front view. So this here would be your auxiliary view because this is what they give you, and this here with the section or the cutting plane going through it will be your front view. Okay, so once you've been given that, the instructions tell you to use the given views and draw a sectional top view on cutting plane AA and a sectional left view on cutting plane AA and a true shape of the section. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do, if you know that this is your front view and they want you to draw a left view, it means you're going to be drawing this little section over here, right? So if this is your front view, okay, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to get your sides so that you can make this cross section thing here. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to take your ruler and you're just going to start off by drawing a line over here, a little light construction line, and you're going to do the same from this point like that. Okay, once you've done that, you are going to take your ruler. You're going to measure 20, so you're going to do 20, a line at 10 and a line at 10 like that, and you're going to do the same this side over here like that. Okay, and then all you're going to do is you're going to take these lines or these points and you're going to draw lines through the points to create your plane, your drawing plane. Okay, so it should be like this over here. Okay, once that is done, you're going to take your 45-degree line or set square and you're going to just do a 45-degree line going in the middle like that. Okay, and then once that is done, we can get started. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to label your shape. So the way we're going to label it is we're going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 like that. Okay, so if you bring this across, that would make this here 2 and 2. This would be 1 and 3 on the sides here. Okay, like that. This would be 5 and 4. 5 and 4. Okay, just hold on a sec. Okay, so once we've done that, we're going to start drawing the front view. Yeah, okay, so we're going to start by drawing the front view. So what you're going to do is you're going to take your ruler and you're going to take the lines going down. So like your 2 line is already this line here. Okay, then you're going to take your 1 and 3 line down. You're going to take your 5 and 4 line down. You're going to take your 2 line down. You're going to take your 1 and 3 line down. And you're going to take your 5 and 4 line down. Okay, so it should look like this. Okay, then what you're going to do is you're going to take your ruler and you're going to make sure the lines of this pentagon over here are on your XY line like that. Okay, because remember you are looking from the top over here. Okay, from your top view you would obviously be looking down like that. So what you're going to do is you're going to take your compass and you are going to measure like 0.2, like this over here. Okay, so you're gonna have your 2 points. Okay, then you're gonna follow the 2 line. Okay, so from like this line over here, you're going to make a point, okay, over there. Then from the 2 line going down here, it would be this line, you're going to make a point, okay, and you're going to label these points 2, 2, okay. Then you're going to basically do the same thing with the rest of the points. So you're going to take your compass, you're going to measure all the way going there to number 1. Then you're going to find your 1 lines, which would be this line over here. So you're going to draw a point there, and you're going to have your 1 line over here. Okay, you're going to draw a point there. You'll label it 1, 1. Okay, then you're going to take your compass again, and you're going to take the 3rd point, so this point over here. Okay, you're going to find your 1 and 3 line, you're going to make a mark, you're going to find your 1 and 3 line, you're going to make a mark, okay, and then you're going to label it 3 and 3. Okay, then you're going to do the same with points 4 and 5, so I'm going to do that without showing you, just to make things go a little bit quicker. Okay, and your points are going to look like this. Then the next thing you're going to do is you're going to connect the points that are supposed to be together. So like 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 makes a pentagon. Then you're going to connect 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, then you're going to connect 3 and 3, 4 and 4, 2 and 2, 5 and 5, 1 and 1 in light construction lines. Okay, and you'll see it'll look like this. Now the reason why it looks like this is this line here, this 2, 2 line is this 2, 2 line. Then this face of the pentagon that you're seeing is the face you would be seeing here from this view. Okay, but now you're going to want to cut it, obviously. So what you're going to do is you're going to take your points down. So you know the start of the cut, 5 and 4, it cuts points 5 and 4. So I'm just going to make little circles there so that you can see that. Okay, then on line 3 and 1, you're going to have a cut going here. Okay, and you're going to have that line going there. So you're going to bring that point down. Okay, and it's going to cut on the line over there. Then you know that your line is going to cut to over here. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to draw in the pentagon shape, the new one that you've got, the cutting shape in there like that, solid. Okay, and it should look like this. Okay, then this you're going to hatch 45 degrees using your set square, and at equal intervals. I'm just using my freehand. I'm doing it freehand because it's quicker. Okay, now we're not done, because remember there's still parts that you're going to see. Okay, so if you're looking down and we had that shape that we saw originally, you're still going to see this side here. Okay, because that's not getting cut away. That means that this side here and this side here you're going to have to make solid, because you're still going to see it. Okay, this part gets cut away, so you won't see this. So all you're going to see is this top part over here. Okay, and it should look like this. Okay, then we're going to do the left view. So what you're going to do is, you know, your left view, you would be looking at it from the left, so you're going to be seeing it from this point here. Okay, but you're going to be drawing it here. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to bring across your 5 and 4 lines. Like there's 5 and 4 at the bottom. Here's 5 and 4. Here's 1 and 3. Here's 1 and 3. Okay, your 2 line is going to be a little bit underneath that line. And then you're going to have your other 2 line, which is at the top over here, doing that. Okay, so you're just going to bring those lines across. Then you're going to bring the lines going up. So like this will be a 1 line. Okay, so you can label that 1 if you want to. This will be your 5 and 5 line. So you can label that 5. This will be your 2 and 2 line. So you can label that 2. This will be your 4 and 4 line. So you'll label that 4. And this will be your 3 and 3 line. So you'll label that 3. Okay. Then you're going to bring these points up again onto the sides that they belong to. Okay. So like 3 will obviously go on your 3 lines. So here will be 3 on this line over here. Okay. And then you'll have 3 over here again. Okay. Then you can label these points 3, 3. Then you're going to bring up your 4 points. So it'll be here and here. So you'll label 4 and 4. Then you'll bring up your 2 points. Then it will be on the lines 2 and 2. So you'll have it here and here. Then you'll label 2 and 2. Okay. Then you're going to have your 5 and 5 line. Okay, so you're going to find your 5 and 5. It will be here and here. So you'll label 5 and 5. Okay. And then you're going to have your 1 and 1. So you're going to find your 1 and 1 line, which will be the same as your 3. Okay, and you'll label 1 and 1. Then you're going to do the same thing. You're going to connect 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then you'll connect the 3 to the 3, the 4 to the 4, 5 to the 5, 2 to the 2, 1 to the 1, until you have like a prism shape again. Okay, and it should look like this. Okay, then the next thing you're going to do is, once again, you're going to take your points across. Okay, your cutting plane points. So you know 2 will get cut on this point over here. Okay, 1 and 3 gets cut on the 1 and 3 line over here, like that. Okay, then 5 and 4 obviously gets cut from this point here. So from these points you're going to draw your pentagon shape. Okay, like this over here. Again, you're going to hatch using your ruler at equal intervals at 45 degrees. Okay, but now you know that this top part gets cut away, obviously, all this junk here. So all you're going to see is this bottom part here, and that's what you're going to make solid. Okay, and then you're going to be done. Now if I erase this here, because we're going to want to do our true shape that they've asked for, so I'm just going to make some space here. Okay, so you're going to take your set square, you're going to line it up with that line. Okay, make sure your angle point is at the bottom. Then you're going to take another set square and you're going to put it underneath that set square. Okay, so it should look something like this. Then all you're going to do is you're going to hold down this set square on the side here. So like, I'm just going to use a mug to hold it still. Okay, then what you're going to do is you're going to just bring that set square up. Okay, and you're going to have like the chance to do a line at the same angle at the top over here. Okay, like that little light thing. Then what you're going to do is you're going to take that same ruler, okay, at that angle, and you're going to basically just bring the points, or like the sides of the cutting plane up. So 2, 1 and 3 and 5 and 4. Okay, diagonally perpendicular to this line here, up. Okay, and it should look like this. Then what you're going to do is you're going to take your compass. Okay, then you're going to do the same thing that you did with these points here. Okay, you're going to measure them like this is 0.2. You're going to take it on your 2 line for the cutting plane, you're going to make that point there. Then you're going to take your compass again. You're going to put it down. You're going to take the measurement of number 1. You're going to take your compass. Okay. You're going to put that measurement down. Okay, and you're basically going to do the rest with all the measurements on those lines. Okay, so you got all the points there. Okay, then you're going to connect them. Okay, it should look like that. And then you're going to hatch it again at your 45 degrees at equal intervals. Okay, and then it will be done. On the drawing book, they do give you enough space for this shape. I don't think I left myself enough space, but that's basically all you do. So I hope that helped you.